If you want to hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we can open the gallery, and what you can do is, for example, you can press and hold your finger in order to select everything that you wish to hide. So let's say I'm gonna choose these 3 photos. Next we're gonna tap on more over here at the bottom, and we want to choose Move to Secure Folder. Now if you don't have a secure folder created, then you will have to press continue, grant permissions by pressing continue again, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds, up to a minute actually, to create the secure folder. Once we have the secure folder lock type, we can choose the password that we wish to set up for the secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple pin code. There we go, let's press continue, enter the password twice in order to confirm. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. In my case, I don't really need that. And then let's go next. And after that, we should have moved. There we go. We moved the photos and videos that we have selected. Also, you can choose a single photo or a video as well. In this case, we need to tap over here in the upper right corner on these 3 dots, and then we also have moved the secure folder option. Now, in order to find the secure folder, we just have to go to the app drawer. Over here we have our secure folder. We can open it quite easily. And in this case, we can open the gallery in order to find everything that is hidden. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.